Pieces of paper. Raise your hand if you've ever cut snowflakes out of paper before. Yeah, I figured. So it's pretty cool on this paper because this is really thin paper, so you can fold it a bunch of times and still be able to cut it. Okay? And you can also use your markers and decorate your paper before you turn it into a snowflake. So I'm just going to draw a lot of swirls on it because I don't know how it's going to end up. You want kind of like an abstract thing. Okay, so the way you do this, fold it in half. You can kind of see how many times you can fold it and still cut it. So you want to fold it in half this way. You have a happy face. Or a taco. Taco. Fold it again this way. You have a triangle. And then if you want, you can keep going, folding it in half, right? Looks kind of like a lightning bolt or something. And then you open it up. Be careful with it. Oh. Thank you. Ta-da! So you can spend a lot more time on it.
Thanks for keeping it groovy with Art Van. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, find us on Facebook and Instagram, and check out our website.